Okay, so today I was kind of experimenting with some fireworks and some ways to shoot them other than Roman candles, which are pretty good, by the way. If you've never heard of them, look them up. So this is basically just a gun made out of 1/2-inch PVC pipe and some tape and a firecracker, which looks like this. So probably can't read that. Probably still can't read that, but that's okay. And to make this, you need a smaller piece of PVC pipe that goes on the top, to a longer one and another shorter one, a T-connector, and a cap. So you can't just stick this in here and put the tape over there, over the wick. You need a tissue to put around it and tape it, so I'll teach you how to make that right now. Alright, so I use half a tissue, so you're going to need some scissors and cut half of the tissue. Sorry, I should have already done this, but I didn't, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Take 1/2 of it, fold it this way, crease it a little bit, and put the firecracker on the very edge, and then just roll it up really tight. Okay, so once you have finished rolling it up, you're going to have to cut off the end because it goes a little long. So I just feel to where the edge is, put like a little thumb mark there, and cut it off so it fits better. So then you're going to need some, I use black electrical tape, which works the best for me, so you're going to need 1 or 2 pieces of that to hold it together. Set that down there, about that long. Cut it, and then make sure it's tight. And wrap it from top to bottom. It's not going to fit in the PVC pipe perfectly. It's just that so it has a better fit than it normally did as just a firecracker. So you're going to want to tape it. I have done a few experiments with this. One using this as the handle, which was way too long, and this as the handle, which was way too short. And this one was the perfect length for me, and hopefully it will be for you too. So once you've got it kind of taped up, you're going to get another piece of tape about this long, cut it, and then I use a paper clip and poke a hole right in the middle. I do it from the sticky side because that's the side you're going to be sticking the firecracker wick through. So once you stick that through, pull it back out, and then stick the wick of the firecracker in there. It takes a second. Alright, once you've got it through there, pull it down and then put it in the thing and kind of fold it over, but I've already got it put in there, so I don't need that one. That's an extra. So that once it's all loaded, you're going to need to go outside, I advise going outside.